Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. Today I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. Firstly, go to Settings and tap on Display. Here we can put on Dark Mode, adjust brightness, turn on Auto Brightness or Outdoor Mode. We can choose Wallpaper, and Show Battery Percentage. We can set screen timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes. And set our navigation bar. And the last, we can set screensaver. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe